So this is how you remove grab handles in an F series BMW. First you need to remove these tabs. Just pull out like this. Like that. Then inside you'll see two little tabs. Now what you need to do is to grab a screwdriver, actually two little screwdrivers. Put them in like this. Don't have the second screwdriver, I think this will work. And then just pull it out. That's basically it. And then you do the same thing here. So one tab, I don't know how much you can see. See the tab, just lift it, and the other one is up here. You just move it in the other direction like this and like this. Once you spread them enough, they should just come out. And that's how you remove grab handle from a F20 F30 BMW.